But hi guys, welcome back to the channel. um, I was just getting ready. I'm gonna be doing a super simple smoky eye, daytime appropriate, and of course a lot of glitter we're gonna add to the eyes. I found this new liquid metallic eyeshadows that I've been playing around with lately, so I thought, why not share that with you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to prep my eyelids with the Inglot eye makeup base with the flat shader brush. This uh, this helps your eyeshadow makeup. This helps your eye makeup last a lot longer, and the colors are a lot more vibrant. Um, you don't have to go ahead and buy an eyeshadow base. You can also use you could just use your concealer, powder it, set it down with the powder, and you're good to go. Once I have the primer down, I'm gonna set it with any, you can even use a face powder. I'm just gonna use a bone color powder to set that. The reason I do it, because I have super oily lids, so I don't want to risk it even after using an eyeshadow base. I prefer doing it just to be on the safer side. A bone color, you may be thinking, would just be a similar color to your skin tone, or in this case it's just like a brightening powder, like a yellow shade, the cream color. I'm going to pick up my palette. It's just a bronzer. I'm going to mix a bronzer and a contour shade and then lay it down in my crease. Just mixing the two shades. Same thing on the other side. You can build it up according to your liking, as light or as dark as you prefer. Play around with it. You don't have to do exactly what I do or what anybody else does. See what works for you, for your eye shape, for your liking. Go ahead and do that, please. I'm going to just darken up the outer third of my eye with the same brush. There we go. This is the crease done. You can go ahead and darken it up if you prefer. A light cream color to put on the lid. I'm going to lay the glitter down on the top of this. Now time for the fun part. I've gotten my hands on these Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadows. This is in shade number 2, Diamond Dust. I found them on Nika.com, and they're only 200 bucks, and they're about I think about 6 or 8 shades. I'm not sure, I'll have to look it up. I've ordered a few more. I haven't received them yet. Once I get them, I'll do a swatch. I'll do a swatch review of these. It's like this. It comes with the doe foot applicator, but I prefer using my own brush. This is just a flat concealer brush. The reason being is because these brushes aren't very steady. They're just not very good of a quality. I'm not saying the product is bad. It's just the brushes I'm not happy and say I don't feel safe about. I'm gonna use my brush and I'm gonna lay it down on my, do you see that eyeshadow glitter? That is just amazing, and it doesn't go anywhere all day. I've worn it a few times. Oh my god, that color is stunning. I'm just picking it up off from the applicator on my brush. You don't have to go ahead and dip it in the little container. There's plenty of product on the brush, on the applicator I mean. Tap tap tap. Don't press it or drag it, just tap. I'm going to pick up my bronzer shade again and even out the glitter ever so lightly with the crease, so it merges in rather than looking like a harsh line. I'm going to pick up a darker brown. It's like a burgundy brown, the shade right here. I'm going to lay it out in the crease because I want the crease to be a little bit more darker. This is like a burgundy brown. It's not very dark, but it shows up. Hold my lashes with a good mascara. I'll pick up a waterproof mascara. And run it through my lower waterline. Use white in the waterline. Pick up a bronzer. Bronze my cheekbones. I'm going to pick up a golden, like a champagne color highlighter from my palette. It's a little messy. On top of a brow bone. To pick up my Revolution highlighter quad and do the top of my cheekbones. I like to mix colors. The temples. The reason I don't bronze my my forehead and my temples is because I already have a smaller forehead, so I don't want to make it appear even smaller than it is. So that's the reason I skip out on it. I'm going to be wearing a Flat Out Fabulous by MAC. And last but not the least, setting spray. And that is it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a try on yourself and let me know how you like it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.